Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download 1xBet in iPhone Cyprus. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. Since you're already in Cyprus and it is defined in your settings that your iPhone is from Cyprus, all you have to do is go to your App Store. Once in your App Store, all you have to do is go into the search bar and type in 1xBet. Once you type in 1xBet, you're going to see the 1xBet app appearing. You're going to download this and open it. Once you open it, you're going to be able to make registration. And for example, here I've already downloaded it and made my registration, so you can see it. But if I go to my menu and to the right upmost corner, go to settings. Once in settings, I'll log out of my account and you'll see this is the original page you're going to see. When you download the 1xBet app, you're going to see login and registration. That will be all.